go. It's IPS.
Drive smooth, but as you guys can see, we're on our way to a car meet. It's been a cool minute, you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, we are in the M4 today. It has been a while since we've driven the car, so it always feels good to get its legs stretched out. We got an M340i to our left. I thought it was the Compa Juan, but from what I know, they have that boy locked up. Y'all stay tuned though. Yeah, crazy. We're back, you guys. I don't know if you guys, well, you guys didn't see, but off the freeway, line was crazy, you guys. It's just packed. For an 11 p.m. meet on a Monday, I should be in bed.
Where's Jose at?
Bro, Jose clocked out. My own brother clocked out. Groovy clocked out. Who made it, I guess. You know, we're gonna get some content for you guys and see how cracking this thing is, because there's endless cars from what I'm looking right now, man. And then if Mexico runs come, then we'll keep you guys posted. Even though I don't got my drag pack on right now. These boys going crazy, man. All right, you guys. So this lot's full. Street parking's full. Cars are still rolling in. We had to park like a block or two away, but this is regular traffic. Don't mind this. All right, you guys. So lineup is going crazy right now. Traffic all the way back. This is literally like something out of Fast and the Furious right now. Look, we even got the EK or EG. Parking was crazy. We got an R8, a 5 Series wagon. I believe that's a G8 in the back. The cars just keep going. That's all I gotta say. We're gonna try to get to where the actual show's going down. Oh damn, I almost ate shit. Damn. See what they got for merch and just check out all the cool whips. This view dub right here is clean. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Damn. Trucks don't give up. You know what? Homie said F the traffic. Supra. Ooh, this shit's tough. Damn. On the ferric gray 437s. I know, I should take off my wrap. C6, JP, where you at? C5. Another Beamer on the lawn is crazy, you guys. Oof. With the quick release. Let me see if you guys can see that real quick. With the quick release, C8. Another Vet, another Supra. The semi trying to get through. All right, like I said before, an Evo over there. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, go two. Not gonna lie though, it's just tough too. This boy's squeezing in like he's got it all under control. I don't know about y'all, but one R34 is enough. Two for y'all. Box body with no hood on. Peluchin pulled up. God, look at those. Look at this lineup right here. These three right here. We're hitting backfire. But let's dive deeper in. You know it had to be the BQs. For everyone. That's crazy. All right, you guys, a bit dark, but you guys get the vibe. Look at this. It just parking lot after parking lot. Head after head. We got the special guest right here. Special appearance. Damn, cars are still rolling in. G87. We got the Porsche. Y'all know it's always shot o'clock somewhere.
McLaren, God. Shit's tough.
I don't know. I just think.
Oof. No way, the wide body came. Ain't no way, y'all. With the air, wide body. Liberty Walk, right? Who would have thought? From Japan to Cali to the Bay Area, I would say.
Parking it right there,
Let's hear it real quick. Is that a rotary, dog? Nasty. Got a whole crowd too. With the McLaren right here. That's crazy. Filmmaking on deck. Crazy.
You're good. You're good.
You gotta get in. You too. Come on, get in there. Don't be shy. Here, hold on. Get in there.
Y'all gotta let me know. Should I sign it too?
Hey, you. I literally threw on the VSKFs like right now and drove all the way here. That shit's crazy, bro. Working on the fitment a little bit, bro. Oh, yeah. Here. Sir. Made it.
All right, you guys, gonna go do a quick walk around because the boys have pulled up. Who would have thought? Damn, I'm not gonna lie, the F80 lineup is tough too. But who would have thought they would have brought a G83? Sorry. G. Huh? Yeah, it's the M5, but it's still a G. It's a G93. There we go. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Look at this wagon, y'all. First wagon, or the M lineup wagons to hit the States. Here in the Bay is crazy. Bro, I'm telling you guys, the cars just keep going and run like it's a non-stop. We got the Mustangs, we got the Subi, we got a 540. We got the compa Randy over there doing his thing. I guess this is where they're hosting the whole thing. We got the Porsches outside too. We're gonna try to squeeze in and see what they got inside. Rufy, where you at, brother? Straight out of Fast and the Furious. First impression, they got the epoxy floors. Nasty. We made it out.
Everybody too big.
Xavier Wulf. Hey,
Hey, shout out to the vlog.
Come on, yes sir.
I got you, bro. Every time, bro.
Homeboy made it into the vlog. Crazy, huh?
Hey, Xavier, you can sign my phone case? Xavier, you can sign my phone case.
Thank you.
Crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's tough right here. On the Apex Triple Chrome or polished, either or. STO, I believe this shit's tough. Where? It is. Okay, AMG. They brought all the toys out today. GTR. That shit is tough. Oh yeah. They brought all the toys out today, you guys. If you guys didn't make it out, hopefully the vlog does justice for you guys. F80. It's just tough. Can't go wrong with a C7. The boys are still posted up. Henry, is that you, brother? That boy brought the Subi out. Oh man. Motherfuckers still coming in. Motherfuckers still trying to get out. This boy's static though, for sure. Oh, send it. They brought the tow trucks out today? Crazy. Hey, brother. Thought it was groovy for a minute. Yeah, the rollout's about to be crazy for y'all. They brought out the fucking kitty. Yup. Yeah, motherfuckers flying on the freeway. CHP about to be crazy. Car's still trying to pull out. Saludos para la privada. The chicken drip. The one from the run. They brought it out. Man. F82 over there. Okay. That on some welds. Man. Boy, Bucky brought out the whip. Man. Oh, they brought it out. There he goes, brother, into fading. Good choice. Oh, turn it out. Wrapping the night out. Honestly, you guys, there's way too many cars to cover. Like, this thing keeps going. There's still, I mean, the parking lot is pretty much emptying out. We got a couple of Chargers, S14. Yes, sir. Some other cars over there, but honestly, kind of just rounding down now. Boys are posted up over there. Nothing crazy, but might dip out before it gets too hot. Even though it's kind of chill right now. For you guys, closing it out. Pretty much everyone just rolling out now. We parked a bit away just because it was like a nightmare to try and get there, so we just walked. Look what we're rounding down the night with.
out of clip, but my boy Xavier right now, they got the boys on him, right? Heavy. CHP's like right on his ass, but he's going back to the other guy. Oh shit. No man, it's a tough one. It's a tough call. Because he's staying behind this one.
All right, you guys. Well, closing it out. Crazy to think we cruised back to the city with the boy Xavier in his F80. That boy was passenger, but hey, clean ass whip, bro. That being said, though, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully we bring out the F80 more often, or sorry, F82 more often. I need an F80. But that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic. Until the next one, peace.